Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video, I told you that what is SQL and what data types used in SQL Server. In this tutorial, I will show you what is dimension and fact table and how to create it. Let's start. Fact table store measurable and quantitative data, often representing transactional data with foreign key and dimension table, while dimension table store descriptive or categorical data providing context to the fact. This table typically contain attributes like name, dates, description. Let's understand uh, by creating the table. These are the four tables where I have to create in SQL Server: patient table, insurance provider table, medical records, medical visit. The first third table is the dimension table, patient is dimension table, insurance provider is dimension table, medical record dimension, and medical visit the fact table. In, in which patient table store descriptive details. The definition of the dimension table is store descriptive or categorical data, and in this table patient table store descriptive details about patient, and same for insurance provider table store descriptive details about insurance provider, and same as store table is store descriptive details about the diagnosis and treatment. And fact table contain the for the fact I mean the example is the fact table store measurable and quantitative data. In table, this will contain the primary key and foreign key. Primary key for medical visit, that is unique columns, and contain foreign key to connect these three dimension table. I will show you by creating the table. First table is patient. You have to use the query like this: create table patient. Patient ID is the primary key. It is the identity. Identity means it will the auto increment column. First table, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, address, phone, and email. You have to write the query in SQL Server like this. The table will be created. And the next table is insurance provider. You have to use the query like this. The table will be created. Next table is medical record. You have to use the query create table medical records, and then you have to use the right for column name like record ID. It's the integer, primary key, identity I means auto increment. Diagnosis column varchar 255, it means that it will contain up to 255 character. Treatment column varchar 255 notes, and then table will be created. Next table is medical visit. Fact table that contain primary key and foreign key. I will use foreign key to connect these three tables, these three dimension table. Create table medical visit is the table name, and then visit ID, primary key, identity, patient ID and integer, provider ID, record ID. These three are foreign key to connect the dimension table. I have used the query like this: foreign key, patient ID, references, patient ID. It means that patient ID is present in patient table, and it's the reference of the patient ID from patient table. Same as foreign key, provider ID, references, insurance provider ID. Foreign key, record ID, references, medical records, record ID. You have to use the query like this. The table will be created. These are the all four tables. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create this table in SQL Server practically. Thanks for watching.